Cincinnati, approach 121.0, good day.
121.0, 924 Lima Papa, have a good day.
Alert 4167 to 1716,000, leading flight level 230.
Cincinnati approach, Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa, 6,000 feet.
Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa, Cincinnati approach, Cincinnati Timbers 2988, weather is available at Claremont County Airport. Advise when you have it, expect a visual.
Grabbing the weather, advise, and I'll advise, expect visual, 924 Lima Papa.
10,000, overcast, temperature 25 Celsius, dew point 18, altimeter 29er, remark, density altitude.
Cincinnati approach, Scott 924 Lima Papa has the weather at Claremont County.
Skyhawk 4 Lima Papa, roger.
He said expect a visual approach, he's going to have to get us down and under.
Yeah.
So they have Claremont County's over there somewhere, but overcast at 10,000. Broken clouds, which is broken means overcast with broken holes in it.
Yeah.
So it's essentially it counts as an overcast still. 4,600, and then scattered, which like this is scattered.
Right.
3,100. Which I would say these are probably about 3,100-ish. They're about halfway between us and the ground.
Yeah.
But we're about 15 minutes out, so they should start sending us here shortly.
Nice.
Looks like we have multiple people in the pattern still. Alright, runway at 39 elevation. Claremont County tuned in, got the weather tuned in. 121 for Cincinnati approach. If we do, we'll probably get sent to Gerald. Honestly, probably get sent to Koski. Let's go ahead and change that. As is. For now, because I could always... make that just vital, so... so we can expect to get below Gerald. We could get as low as 2,600 for Gerald, 2,500 for Goski, and then we can follow, go down to 1420 at JEDX, and then we'll hold 1420 till after JEDX we can descend down to the 1160 and go mist if we don't see it. We should be fine. Claremont County Airport sounds like it's visual conditions still, so.
Good. Set checklist, so our fuel's fairly balanced, we should be good there. Cruise, descent. Got the weather, got the altimeter. Fuel selectors on both, landing light. Good, turn it on. I don't really need it, but
Approach briefing, so...
Sky 2135 Sierra is with you at 4,000 feet. Sky 2135 Sierra, Cincinnati approach, Cincinnati altimeter is 2988. Advising we have weather at Claremont County Airport, expect visual. 2988, advise with weather and we'll expect visual 35 Sierra.
I can clear him and clear as... I can hear him clear as day.
Could be pretty close.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Jag 4 Lima Papa, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend, maintain 3,000 for Lima Papa. Right after.
Departure, good afternoon. Sky 64240 is 2,100 heading 090.
Yeah, right.
Jag 64240, Cincinnati approach, Cincinnati altimeter is 2988 and stay altitude climbing 2988, we'll climb at 4,000. Sorry about that. 64240. November 240, roger, and weather is reporting at Claremont County Airport, advising you have it, and expect the visual approach. All right, expect the visual approach. We'll let you know when we have the weather, 240.
Oh, you know what? I know why Claremont County is so damn busy. It's Saturday.
Cincinnati approach, Sky 2135.
They give out hot dogs on Saturday.
2135.
Oh. Everyone's flying in to get
Been freaking $100-something flying their plane in. Get a free hot dog.
240, if you'd like, you can amend your climb to 3,500, and once I get you back north of or over Lunken's class Alpha, I can start using that. That sounds good. We'll stop 3,500, 64240.
I don't see the other guy. I mean, he's coming in clear as day, so he has to be nearby.
Oh.
And I believe it was a Mooney 51743 Cincinnati. Mooney 57413 Cincinnati clearance facility. Hold for release, and it looks like I don't have your flight plan in front of me. I'll have to pull it up. Stand by. Weather and notice for Claremont County. Sky 240, roger. Sky 4 Lima Papa, traffic 11 o'clock, 7 miles, opposite direction, altitude indicates 2,600.
We'll be on the lookout for him when we break out of these clouds, 924 Lima Papa.
Mooney 57413, hold for release. You're cleared to the Juliet Yankee Oscar Airport via radar vectors direct Echo Sierra Lima, then as filed. I maintain 3,000, expect 7,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 121.0, squawk 6723, and hold for release. Mooney 413, reback is correct. Advise number 1 for departure and runway you'll be departing.
Must be that solar farm they just built.
Huh?
There's
It
a solar
is.
farm.
Sky 4 Lima Papa, if you don't have the traffic, I suggest you turn 20 degrees right vector for the traffic. Now 10 o'clock, 2 miles, altitude indicates 2,400 opposite direction.
Turning 20 degrees to the right. Fort Lima Papa just came out of the clouds. I got the traffic in sight now. No factor. Fort Lima Papa.
4 Lima Papa, roger. You can resume own navigation.
Zoom over navigation. Fort Lima Papa.
Papa Airport, 12 o'clock and 10 miles. Report the field in sight.
Looking for the field now, 4 Lima Papa.
Number 350, just to be advised, there's traffic about 10 miles to the south. East of the field, you'll be sequence number 2 to the field, and then November 240, you're going to be sequence number 3 to the field.
So you hear the click, 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 click? That's just people acknowledging.
Oh, okay.
It's also how you turn runway lights off. You're being silly.
4 Lima Papa, additional traffic, 12 o'clock and 5 miles. Southbound altitude indicates 2,500.
I'm looking for that traffic to 4 Lima Papa.
350, flighting 180 vector per sequence.
Flighting 180 for sequence, 250.
He was literally... He's turning to the north.
Lima Papa traffic now 12 o'clock, 3 miles, opposite direction, altitude indicates 2,400.
I got that traffic inside 4 Lima Papa, no factor.
4 Lima Papa, roger. Maintain visual separation from the traffic airport, 12 o'clock, 8 miles.
12 o'clock, 8 miles for the airport, 4 Lima Papa. I got the airport inside, I'm just waiting to get a little bit closer. Yeah, he's no factor.
Skyhawk 350, do you have the airport in sight at, call it 2 o'clock and 8 miles?
Not 100% yet, but still looking through this here.
Since I approached Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa, airport inside.
Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa, roger, clear visual approach into Claremont County Airport. Report cancellation, IFR in the air. This frequency on the ground, 124.9er. Be advised, there are 2 aircraft that are waiting to land.
2 aircraft waiting to land. I'll go ahead and cancel. I will take it VFR from here.
4 Lima Papa, roger. IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR free change approved. And the next traffic is going to be 8 miles to the north east of the field of Skyhawk.
We'll look out for that traffic. Thanks for your help. 924 Lima Papa.
50, descend and maintain 3,000.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa. We are just kidding. Was it ready?
Claremont County Clipper 19 Hotel is rolling full length.
Nearest 2.
Claremont County traffic, Cessna 362 Sierra Papa, pointing the pattern to the east, Claremont traffic.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 2125 Sierra, 6 miles out on final for runway 22, Claremont.
Claremont Clipper 19 Hotel is rolling clear of runway 22.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa is 4.4 miles out to the southeast. Claremont County traffic.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 15222 is tacking up to runway 224 departure, will remain in the pattern. Claremont.
Get tossed around a little bit down here.
Yeah.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 924 Lima Papa is about 3 miles out, set up for 45 for the downwind 22.
Sporty's Claremont County Airport. Automated weather observation. 173. 1 Zulu. Weather. Wind. 230. Tax 5.
64240 is 4 miles to the west. We're going to be overflying the field at 1500 AGL, and we'll be entering Claremont County.
Claremont County traffic, Scott 924, Lima Papa is 2 miles on the 45 for downwind 22. We have the departure. Looking for that traffic coming from the opposite direction. We should be way all out this way, but in case. Claremont County traffic, Scott 924, Lima Papa is turning downwind, runway 22.
Claremont County traffic, Shark 2 cross here, 2.5 miles final, runway 22, Claremont.
Claremont traffic, Scout 515, taking runway cross, turn runway 22.
Block.
Flight 52, left cross from downwind, going 22, Claremont.
Claremont County traffic, 240 is, let's see, about a mile and a half to the, a mile and a half to the west. We're overflying the departure end of runway 22, entering the left downwind, runway 22, and we've got the downwind traffic in sight, Claremont County.
Claremont County traffic. Mile and a half final, runway 22, Claremont.
Tower 7378 is 10 miles to the come in behind traffic in the regional.
County traffic, Skyhawk 924, Lima Papa is turning base, runway 22. I got the traffic in sight for the final.
Claremont County traffic, 240 is over the departure end of runway 22 at 2,300. Entering the 45 for the left downwind, runway 22. Downwind traffic in sight will follow you, Claremont County.
Ooh, we got a little bit of a really high. Could pull all that power out. Get those flaps in. Really high. Go ahead. Get us down.
Claremont traffic, Skyhawk 15222, turning left base, runway 22, Claremont.
Claremont County traffic, 240 is midfield, left downwind, runway 22. We'll follow traffic ahead in the base. Claremont County.
All right, he's rolling clear. Call it.
Claremont traffic, Skyhawk 212 cross here, is clear 22, Claremont.
Traffic not available.
Claremont traffic, Skyhawk 15222, turning final, number 2, Claremont.
Claremont County traffic, 240, turning left base, runway 22, Claremont County.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 924, Lima Papa rolling clear 22. Yeah, all kinds of pretty planes. That guy in the green plane's kind of an asshole.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I was just being silly with him. I landed, I just got back from cross country and I landed. I was parking.
40 is turning final, runway 22, Claremont County.
Got out of the plane. I said, hey, I'll trade you. And he goes, no. That was it. I was like, oh, okay. Joking, but okay. All right, avionics off.
1,000. Test that magneto. Good. Push shaft 80 up to 1,500. Nine 5-2-3-6. All right, not bad. Not bad. Expected it to be a little bit more. A little more bumpy than it was, honestly.
Really?
Yeah. What up, man? Are you coming to help me push? There's not no choice. Well, I appreciate you either way. Look, Aries. Look there, Aries, you got on? Yeah. Look like Aries. Yeah? That's alright, you're better than I am. Not that that's saying much, because I'm horrible at pushing back. It's the most embarrassing thing when like you're pushing back by yourself and like everyone's watching you. Thanks, man. Huh? Yeah, we are.